Hi students and friends, welcome to the channel Learn and Teach by Sir Ayaz. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the answers for grade 7 science for the worksheet which will help them to excel in the final exam 2023. So here's the worksheet. Question number 1, state whether the following is a vertebrate or an invertebrate. You know, vertebrates are those animals which have vertebral column or spinal cord. So invertebrate are those animals which does not have this vertebral column or spinal cord. We know that snail and octopus, both of these does not have any vertebral column. So you will write invertebrate here. Both hawk and shark are vertebrates. Question number 2. The following animals are all vertebrates. Classify the following animals as amphibians, birds, fish, mammals, and reptiles. So I will start with the amphibian. We have one amphibian here, and that is newt. We have two birds here, woodpecker and bat. Bat is also included in mammals. In fishes, we have great white shark and eel. Great white shark is also included in mammals. Mammals, you write bat and squirrel. Reptiles, we have chameleons, alligator, and tortoise. Next question is about vascular and non-vascular plants. Write down two similarities and two differences in characteristics between a vascular and non-vascular plants. So I will start with the similarities between these two. Similarities between vascular and non-vascular plants. Both have chloroplast and chlorophyll pigments. It means both make their food through photosynthesis. Both make their food through photosynthesis. Both are the primary producers of the ecosystem. Both are the primary producers of the ecosystem. Now let's talk about the differences between these two. Differences between vascular and non-vascular plants. Vascular and non-vascular plants. So vascular plants came after non-vascular plants. They came after non-vascular plants. While non-vascular plants are the primitive plant on earth. They are the most primitive plant on earth. Primitive means very old. Vascular plants contain vessels or tubes. They contain vessels or tubes, which means they have vascular tissues which transport food and water. That is vascular tissues for transport of food and water. On the other hand, non-vascular plants does not have any of these. So I'm crossing this. So non-vascular plants, they're taller with big leaves. They are taller with big leaves. Non-vascular plants, they are smaller with simple leaves. Now, vascular plants, they have true root and stem system. They have true root and stem system. On the other hand, non-vascular does not have these. Vascular plants reproduce by seeds as well as by spores. They reproduce by seeds as well as by spores. While non-vascular plants reproduce by spores, they reproduce by spores. Now, vascular plants can survive both on dry and damp places. They survive both on dry and damp places, which means they have evolved in such a way that they can manage to survive on dry and damp. But non-vascular plants can only survive in damp places. They can survive on damp places, which means water is very important for the survival of non-vascular plants. Some examples of vascular plants include ferns, conifers, grasses, palm trees, etc. Non-vascular plants, we have mosses, different kind of mosses. We have liverworts, we have tank hair cap, and others, etc. Question number 4. Study the diagram below. You see the diagram? This is a diagram of solar eclipse because moon is in between earth and sun. So number 1, what phenomena is illustrated in above diagram? So you write solar eclipse. Number 2, what phase is the earth at during this phenomena? The day turned dark and temperature also drops. Day turned dark and temperature drops. Does this phenomena occur at night or in the day? Definitely daytime. Number 5, state whether the following statements are true or false. Number 1, a jellyfish is a fish, but whale is not a fish. This statement is true. The reason is that whales gives birth to live young ones, so it is mammal. It's not fish. Number 2, cacti are non-flowering plants and they do not bear fruits. This is false because cacti are flowering plants that produce seeds. Question number 6. Write down a fuel which is commonly used by the following things to obtain energy. Vehicles, in vehicles you have car, trucks, ships, lorries. So you can write any one of these: natural gas, petrol, diesel. Animals get their energy from food. If you want, you can mention the type of the food: nutrient, carbohydrates, and fats. Write down 2 uses of fossil fuels. So you can write any 2 uses. Fossil fuels include petrol, diesel, kerosene. You know that petrol and diesel both are used in vehicles. For petrol, you can write a car. This is trucks, ships, lorries. Kerosene is used in aeroplane. It's a jet fuel. Part C. Are fossil fuels renewable or non-renewable resources? Explain your answer. Fossil fuels are non-renewable resources because they can't be replaced once used up. Give reasons. The more resistance connected in a circuit, the lower the current flowing through the circuit, because this decreases the amount of current flowing through the circuit. Because this decreases the amount of current flowing through the circuit. Question number 8, label the given diagram below. Now, this question is about the electrolysis of water. So you have to consider water before answering this question. This is the current source, bottom, which is battery. And positive terminal is the positive electrode. So you write positive electrode here. And on the right hand side, you have negative terminal, which is negative electrode. The liquid here is of water. So I will write water here. Oxygen is produced at the positive electrode. So you write oxygen here. And hydrogen is produced on the negative electrode. So I'll write hydrogen here. Describe the process of electrolysis of water. So you can write these statements. Current is produced by battery. Current is produced by battery. Current is passed through water. Current is passed through water. Water breaks down into oxygen and hydrogen. Water breaks down into oxygen and hydrogen. Oxygen is produced at positive electrode. Oxygen is produced at positive electrode. Last one, hydrogen is produced at negative electrode. Hydrogen is produced at negative electrode. Question number 9. The diagram below shows the magnesium wire or ribbon in the silver nitrate solution. This is magnesium wire or ribbon. Actually, magnesium exists in the ribbon state. So it's better to write ribbon. This is silver nitrate solution. In the above chemical reaction, magnesium reacts with silver nitrate to form magnesium nitrate and silver. Write a word equation for this chemical reaction. So on the reactant side, you'll write magnesium plus you have silver nitrate, so you'll write silver nitrate. On the product side, we are getting magnesium nitrate. So I will write magnesium nitrate plus silver. Thanks for watching. Press like and share my videos. Give comments for more videos. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.